If you take tennis balls, drench them in gasoline, and then light them on fire, you get a pretty solid DIY fireball. Everyone's been doing it. The backyard scientists, the slow-mo guys, even Batman is playing fireball tennis. The problem is, everyone is thinking too small. Why shoot only one fireball when you can make a machine gun that shoots tons of fireballs all at once? So that's what I did. I made a PVC pipe frame, zip-tied an angle grinder to it, and then cut out a Bowser head for decoration. And then I was pretty much just ready to go. So let's get to the fun part. Testing. Alright, so we're here on the film site. This is my mother, who is going to be on lighting duty. She's very good at lighting. We have Ismail, who's going to be on fire extinguisher duty. And then we have Creed, who's on cameras. So let's get started. Alright, it's been covered in gasoline. Not there? Nice! Fireball!
Get it in there, those little gloves don't last forever.
Okay, blast it.
Why is this not? Why is this not? Okay,
alright. Good test one. We're gonna catch this on fire, stick it in the pipe, turn on the pipe, and then it's gonna hit. It's not aimed right. This is the single shot fireball, but we're gonna make a machine gun later. So, fire in 3, 2, 1. Holy crap, that was awesome!
Oh shit, it's so hard.
Holy crap! That could not have gone any better.
It's a good thing we're on good terms with the fire marshal.
For it to be a proper machine gun, I think we need to light at least 3. So we're gonna try to do all 3 at the same time, shoot them through, call this video good. Let's get on with it. Okay, I think the Bowser might have won this battle. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna try to fire as many as fast as possible. We have conquered fire! We have conquered fire! That went flawlessly. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you around.